This is Tilak. Welcome back to our VBCS tutorial. Today we are going to see that how we can save the data only that is changed in a different way. This is a little complicated, but you don't have to create arrays and all the stuffs. Okay, or you are saving a data. Now what I'm going to do here is I'll explain what I'm going to do here. I'm going to we have a type. So like if you are looking at that, we have a type. Get page def row type. Am I right? If you are having here, if you are looking at this row, this has got ID name, page def period. This is what you are having here. Okay. Now I'm going to create two row types, like in the same two. I'm going to create it. One is that whatever this here. The one we are working as of now with has got one more column called mode. This is a transient column. Okay. It is not part of that object. It's part of this transient column here. So whenever the data is changed, I'm going to put the mode into U. So if the row has got a U value, then like that is the row will be updated. Now why do I need a one more type? But when I am updating that, when I'm updating the object, I need that row type or the variable without that mode. Because I was trying the same thing, I had a problem. The transient column somehow like trying to put the value in that VB object, so it is not working fine. That could be, I don't know what is the reason, but that was not working. That's the reason I came out with it. I'm going to duplicate this one. Okay, I just say number two here. So basically, this is the same thing. Okay, this is I'm going to come out with that add a field here. Okay, say I'm going to say mode. Okay. So now this one has got a variable called mode. Okay, that is fine. The variable is mode is here. Like okay, now mode is happened here. So this doesn't have ID, name, page type, everything. There's no mode. Now I'm going to go here. I'm going to create a variable. Where is the page type row? Okay, a page. Okay, now if you are looking at that, that ADP is part of that one, so it is also having a mode. If you are looking for the variable like page def row, where is the page? Okay, here, sorry. Okay, that's a variable. This has got a mode. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this part, duplicating it. This is the one. Okay, this is I'm changing that to 2. Okay, we can have a better name just to like 2. Then I'm attaching that to the type 2. Okay. Okay. If you are looking that does not have a mode. Okay. Oh no, this is not attached to that. Okay, there's something is wrong here. Okay, I leave this one as it is. Okay, I'm going here. No, I will change the wrong one. See, the holes with 1. This is there are 2. Okay, this is I'm deleting it. I'll move this copy. If I look at that, this doesn't have a okay, I'm attaching that to second row. So this doesn't have it. This is what I'm going to use to update it. Now, okay. Now what I'm going to do here is, here whenever there is updated, I'm putting the mode to U. Okay. Now let's go to the action. Okay, look at the action. You look at the action, that is basically when you are editing. This is where that the variable is here page data is fire data. Before that, what I'm going to do here is I'm assigning that to assigning the variable to what page row mode is update type. Okay, here. Okay, so it's the hard coded value. So mode is updated. Now what is happening here is the mode card updated, and this mode is basically that the row also has got the same mode because that's a variable is inserted. Okay, if you are looking the update part, like if you are looking for the map, if you are looking for the map, like the data is coming from the base.pro, so it's updated now. Okay, now the update is happening. Now how do I take the data into the BB object? That's what we have to say there. So that we go to that, there's a save base dev. This is what basically it is putting the variable into the B object. Okay, now here when I'm looking assigning the variable here, now we are looking at that. Okay, okay. Now that is not coming to here now. Okay. Now what will happen here is I'm taking that to here. Okay. Instead of this one here, it will go to page 2. Current data will go to the page 2. Okay. Now when it's doing it is only going to put the variable which is named with the no mode here. Okay. Let's come back and see that because I know there is something is happening. It is not working. See that it didn't work. Okay. Okay. This happened here. Now the assignment this is happening here is this is a new one. Okay. So here the assignment has to happen to not a page down. Instead of that, okay. Okay. Now we do the same treatment to variable. Okay. Because we are not using that variable here. Okay. So ID is null. Well, this is insert null. ID is null. Period ID is coming to period ID coming from person statement ID is coming to person statement ID. Okay, that is done here. Then when you are calling rest, what we do here is when you are mapping the body, okay, we do a tool here. Okay, so now the tool will be inserted instead of the body. Okay, now if you are looking at the tool is going here, so that is perfectly fine there. Okay, now here also we are going to put a tool. Okay, map we are going to put a 2. Here also we are going to put a 2. Okay, that is also done. So here, okay, assign here. Okay, here what we are going to do here is if that the current data mode, is true. I mean, the current data mode is you. Then only the update will be called. So basically, I'm going to put a if condition. So I'm going to put a if condition Okay, if it is true, then we will update. Okay, if condition is current data mode equal to u, current. Okay, we are doing the variable. The reason is the variable doesn't have it. Mode is equal to u is equal to we update. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put up a message, okay, notification, so I know what is getting updated. Okay, okay, updated. What is getting updated here? My data 2, data 2 name. Okay, okay, let it be transient, it will be information, that's it, right? So now what happened? Let's see what's working the way we are expecting it. Okay, let me change the bonuses. Okay, now the bonuses are changed. Okay, let me save. It is says updation is wrong. Okay, let me add something. No, let me add also. Let's see what happens. Oh, that is also wrong. I probably know. Okay, what happened was okay. No, this should work fine. Okay, the reason is when you are no why it is. Let me go and see what is happening here. Fire notification. I don't care. Okay. Now assigning the variable. Okay. Now let's see. We'll go one by one. Okay. It is supposed to be based up to. I don't know why the visitor is coming here. I have no idea. Okay. Something is going to happen. You have to have visitor to. That is what comes supposed to happen. Visitor to. Okay. Okay. Let me. Okay. Visitor to is here. It is current here. This is assigned variable. Here we are doing a current data ID. Actually, you can also say that ID of this one, that's fine. Okay, now where are we making here? Here also it is supposed not to be based at 2. This is, I don't know, this all I bet I changed it. This is happening here, I have no idea. Okay, I thought I changed the whole thing. Okay, now I'm coming here. It's a 2 ID. I'm giving it null, null, period ID. It is the period ID, person statement ID, person statement ID, person statement. Data 2. Okay, that is, let me make sure this is hard coded value, this is expression, this is expression. Okay, so this is happened here. Now call rest is to here. Okay, this is the insert part, so like so we are not worried about much about that part. Now we are coming here. Okay, fire notification, that is supposed to be right, we will here. Call rest, okay. The call rest has got a segment ID also, so that probably coming from the wrong place. Okay, page of ID is coming, supposed to come from not from here. Page of ID supposed to come from here. Okay, so that's the second variable is the one variable we are using. Okay, now make sure this is changed. Okay, so and this part is matrix. looking out. No, this is also something wrong here. This is true. This is the true. Okay. So let me have a look at that. The body of this is the true. Okay. So that is very good. I hope this time it works. Set up the benefit statement. Add one. Okay, I'm adding it. So that this one, and let me see what update is working fine. Okay, let me have a look at the bonus. Okay, the bonus worked fine. Okay, for some reason bonus worked fine. So bonus is let me have a look at the bonus is telling. Okay, bonus is working. Basically, update is working. For some reason, creation is not working. Let me go and fix that too. Okay, the variable is coming here. That is fine to me. This is sub to find here. So the only problem is here. Okay, what is the problem? What is happening here? We look at here. Okay, this is the variable is fine. Now here we look. Okay, page. This is fine. It's nullified. Period ID is period ID. Person ID is person ID. Okay, that is done here. And then we are calling to here. Okay, I'm not sure why it is again it is doing the same thing. I absolutely no idea. Okay, because I'm trying to put a variable here. Okay, now I'm coming here. Let me have a look at that. What is it? Variable is right. Okay, now we go and run it again. Let's see. Okay, now what is happening here? Let's see. Let us create one. Test. Okay, I'm coming here. Okay, save. It is working. So now let's okay. That's good. So you go here. Okay, test is coming here. Okay, okay. Tester update here. This is okay. I'm just changing this one to test. Test. Okay, test. Okay. I also add one symptom. I also add one thing here. Okay, test 3. Test 3. Something like that. Okay. So you added. You done everything. Okay, so updated tester, updated test. Okay, this is a creation is also happening. Everything is happening here. So we make sure one more time we see that we have a test 3 is there, test tester. Everything is there. Perfect. Okay. So basically it's working fine. Here what happened, you don't need to create a one more variable and like putting a variable here. Basically the update is happening within the row itself. I like this. Let me know what do you think. Okay. Okay, if you have any question, anything, let me know. Thank you. Bye.